All right, new stuff. Here we go. So, with the two new things, we're going to be working things up pretty traditional. There's a little catch here. Probably should have wrote this down, but I'm telling you now, so this is important, okay? One thing we're going to do a little different is just add in one repetition. So not trying to do four. So these are a little bit longer. Basically, you're working up 8 bars at a time here for numbers 1 and 2. And what I want you to do, I think it'd be really good, is from 60 to 120. Work it up in the 5 beat per minute increments. So the usual 60, 65, 70, 75, and so on. Once you get up to 120, though, I want you to go up in 2s, increments of 2s. I think that will help you hear things better by going up in slower increments. So 60 to 120, I think it'd be just fine going up in 5s. But after that, you're going to go up in 2s. So basically, you got your 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, and then 122, 124, 126, 128, 130, and so on. Still sticking within the time frame that we have been doing. So this is what we got for number 1, pushing the speed picking a little bit more. I thought about doing another A2 type thing, but I want to see how fast you can get this. So we'll do another A2 if need be. But let's see what happens just doing the work it up method again. So, working it up without the repeat though. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to 120 since that's an important tempo for this right now. So 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me turn that up a little bit. Alright, again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 2, continuing to work on the gallop, and we've got some quick chord changes we're kind of thinking of. Well, anytime we're doing constant gallop, we're doing quick chord changes, but I'm going to change on beat number 4. We're also changing chords on beat 1. Basically, I want to do these changes here with the quarter notes, so this way it might help you focus on landing things better, or really we're still focusing on making sure that last 16th note is there. So hopefully going into that quarter note allows you to concentrate more on hitting that upstroke before changing. So, and really make sure that your fretting hand stays down as long as possible. So when you're changing strings, or not changing strings, staying on the same string, like really wait until that upstroke is final before you change chords. And then when you're changing the strings, wait for the upstroke to be 100% finished. 100% finished. 100% finished. So don't start taking your hand off mid-strum. Make sure it's done. Make sure that upstroke is completed before you change chords or before you change strings, okay? 100% completed. Keep it down. Keep that fretting hand down until the upstroke is 100% finished. That's important, in case you didn't get it. I bet you did. Anyway, let's go back down to 60. So again, same thing with this. Work it up in 5s from 60 to 120, and then go up in 2s. And then you'll just do, so work it up without the repeat, and then add in just 1 repetition at the end. Not 4 for this, just the 2 times through for the final. All right, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. What is going on with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Jeez. And 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down to 150 for the repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, any questions come up, let me know. And I'll see you again in your new videos.